Common Nissan Juke infotainment issues include frozen screens, black displays, or no sound. These often stem from software glitches or minor hardware problems. Start with a soft reset. Turn off your car, remove the key, and wait 10 to 15 minutes before restarting. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. For no sound issues, check the fuses, especially fuse number 30 in the fuse box. Inspect for blown fuses by comparing with good ones. Also check speaker wire connections. Frozen screens often relate to the system's limited RAM. If basic resets fail, deeper troubleshooting is needed. If resets don't work, try a software update. Check the Nissan Connect app or Nissan's website for updates compatible with your Juke's model year. Download to a USB drive and install via the USB port. Moving to hardware considerations. If updates don't resolve the issue, consider hardware problems in older models. A black screen often signals LCD panel or motherboard failure, requiring professional replacement, costing $500 to $1,200 at a dealership. Be cautious with unofficial community patches as they aren't Nissan endorsed and could void warranties.